Welcome back to another video. I'm with my friends and it's super awkward. I don't know why. And we got some signed, got 7 copies from Mwave. So my 6th one, because I ordered 5 already. Because I'm crazy. Yeah. But let's get started. Oh my god.
Let's open it.
I hate this package. We got 1 freebie, so we have to fight over it. Seid ihr bereit?
Okay. I'm ready.
Are you ready?
Get it? Great.
Oh my god. I see a sign. I see a sign. And I open up my eyes. Okay, we have JB.
Oh, Emma.
JB. Ist das Spam dann? Ja, die hebe ich immer auf. We got 1 freebie. Let me... Oh, we got a good picture.
Yay!
Focus this shit. My camera is shitty, as you always know. Schnitty.
I know.
So here it is. Oh no, let's get started.
So what we expect is Jinyoung, Jinyoung and Jackson. What we will get is probably 3 group.
We have 1 JB sign. When I could find the opening. Why is... Ah! They are not opened. So... They closed it again. They had the sign and then they closed it again.
Okay, which one?
I cannot see... I guess this is Bam Bam. This is of JB.
What is that?
I don't know.
Okay,
But
which one do you want?
I don't know. I want to...
Choose.
I choose this one.
JB
Okay.
or Bam Bam?
JB.
Do you need a scissor? Let's pray. Let's pray hard.
We are praying hard.
Oh, this is Mark. We got a Mark sign. Oh no, it's Jackson. I don't know. Is this a Jackson or a Mark? I don't know. It's a heart. That is Bam Bam and this is JB.
Oh, JB.
Do you can see it? Manu, du musst ein bisschen weiter. We got 1 JB and 1 Bam Bam. Do you want to open this after another? So, jeder eins.
Yeah, go on. You're first.
Yeah.
Let's pray.
We're praying.
Oh, I got Jackson! So, let's see. I will open this up to see the photo card. I guess Manu will get this.
Probably.
You have to give me the photo card, please.
You can have the photo card.
One moment. So, the photo card I got. Ah! Here's Jinyoung. So,
You're next.
Okay, let's...
JB, I don't want this. I have 1.
Oh, and which card?
Let me help you.
I don't get it.
But it's a JB.
It's a
with,
Bam Bam card. I already have that, so
with
you can...
JB sign, right?
Let's take it out. So, it's a JB with a JB, so it's good. It's a good, I guess. So no Bam Bam. Oh, please be Jinyoung. I need Jinyoung. Oh, it's a Bam Bam with Bam Bam sign. Oh, I guess then this is a Jackson sign because Jackson is inside. I guess they made it like that. Ooh.
Probably.
Which card do we get? Oh, Mark, I already have that card. Yay.
So beautiful.
So now we have to decide which one get which. So, yes. So, yes, thank you for watching the video. I hope you like it with my crazy friends. And I will see you next time. Bye.
Bye.